Hello, Temple View fourth graders. This is your friendly neighborhood fourth grade teacher coming today to talk about what is base 10. Now, to be completely honest with you, I didn't really truly understand what base 10 was until I taught. So, this lesson is going to explore why we have base 10, okay? So we're going to look today at base 10 blocks, and some of you have seen them since kindergarten and you've had them every year, but we're going to explore some. So this yellow block, this is a 1, okay, that's a 1 cube. This rod right here represents 10, and this square represents 100. Now we're going to figure out why they're called base 10 in just a second. So I need to figure out, when I'm looking at a place value chart and I have ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. This is just a small place value chart. How do I get a 1 cube that is over here to be over here? You can't just put 1 over here. What do you need to do? You need to take that 1. So for example, how are we going to get this 1 cube to be over in the tens place? What do we need to do with it? Think about it. All right, so what do we need to do with this 1's block to make it be able to go into the tens place? Let's see. Let's add 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I think I have made that 1 block. If I put 10 of them together, I can jump over to the tens column. Now, if this is a tens rod, how do I make it go from tens to 100s? Okay, think about it. How do I take this 10 rod and move it from the tens place to the 100s place? Think about it. If that 10 wants to jump from tens to 100s, it needs to add 10 rods. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so in order to jump from the tens place to the hundreds place, we needed to add 10 tens rods. So we went from 1 to 10 and made a 10 rod, and then we took the 10 rod and made a 100 block. So now we're here, we're in the hundreds place. What do we need to do to get from 100 to 1,000? Again, we're taking that hundreds block and we're moving it over to 1,000. What do you think we need to do? I believe that we need to put 10, so 1, and then I'm just going to put it over to the side so you can see it. 2, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 1,000. So we went from 1 cube, we put 10 together and made the tens brick, the tens rod. And then we put 10 rods together to make 100 square. And we're put 10 hundreds together to make a 1,000 cube. So now I need you to think about, what do I need to do for thousands to 10,000s? Think in your group and we'll share out.